There are moments in life when you stand at a crossroads. One path leads to comfort and regret. The other leads to fear and growth. I stood at that crossroads for years, until one day changed everything forever. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. I remember that day clearly. It was a rainy Tuesday. I was sitting in a cafe watching people talk and laugh. A foreign couple sat near me, speaking English naturally, making mistakes, correcting each other, and smiling through it all. I felt envy, not because they were foreigners, but because they had something I didn't. Freedom. The freedom to speak without fear. I had studied English for 10 years. 10 years. I knew grammar rules. I knew thousands of words, but I had never spoken freely, never had a real conversation, never felt that freedom. That day, I asked myself a hard question. How many more years will you wait? How many more opportunities will you miss? I had no good answer, just excuses, and I was tired of excuses. Right there in that cafe, I made a promise to myself. Starting today, I will speak English every single day, no matter what, no matter how scared I feel. The next morning, I started my new routine. I woke up early. I stood in front of my mirror, and I spoke. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I am learning to speak English without fear. I believe in myself. My voice was quiet, unsure, but it was there. I was speaking. I talked about my breakfast, my plans, my worries, just simple sentences, but they were mine, and I was saying them out loud. Every day I did this. 5 minutes in the morning. No exceptions. Rain or shine, tired or energetic. I spoke. Then I added reading practice. I chose simple English books and read them out loud. 1 page every evening. Slowly, clearly, focusing on pronunciation. I also practiced shadowing. I found motivational videos in English. I listened to one sentence, paused, and repeated it exactly, matching the speaker's rhythm and emotion. You are stronger than you think. I said it again and again until it felt true. My daily practice was morning, 5 minutes mirror speaking, evening, 10 minutes reading aloud, night, 10 minutes shadowing practice. After 6 weeks, something beautiful happened. I was at a bookstore. A tourist asked me, "Where can I find history books?" Without thinking, I answered, "Second floor, turn left. You will see them." She smiled. "Thank you so much." I walked away feeling different, lighter, stronger, because I had spoken, without fear, without hesitation. That moment proved something to me. The day you decide to speak without fear is the day your life changes. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be brave. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Right now, I want you to make a decision. The same decision I made in that cafe. Decide that you will speak English every day. Starting today, find a mirror, stand in front of it, and say, "Today, I speak without fear. I am learning. I am growing. I am brave." Say it out loud. Feel the power in your voice. Your English journey doesn't start when you're ready. It starts when you decide. Decide today. Speak today. Grow today. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and begin your fearless English journey. Because the world needs your voice. And your voice is ready to be heard. Speak without fear. Live without regret. Your time is now.